The defense attorney vigorously denied that his doctor-client did anything wrong until I finished questioning his doctor during pretrial testimony. You want to learn what this is about? Come join me as I share with you this remarkable information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. So now, this was a case involving a wrongful death of a woman following a colonoscopy. It was our claim that the doctor violated the basic standards of medical care. Now, early on in this litigation, I had a conversation with the defense attorney who told me straight out, listen, you have absolutely no case whatsoever. In fact, I'm going to ask the judge to dismiss your case before we even go forward. And you know what I said? Go right ahead. Go do it. I challenge you. And he didn't do it. Now, during the course of the litigation, I had an opportunity to question the doctor who was involved that we claimed caused my client's untimely death. That's known as a deposition, or it's a question and answer session where the doctor gives pre-trial testimony, sworn testimony, so that I can find out information from him. And what I do during the course of this pre-trial testimony is I'm going to be able to use the doctor's own words to establish what the standards of medical care were in this particular case, and then go through with the doctor of exactly what was done in this particular case to determine if there were any violations from the basic standards of care. I got the doctor to admit 3 different violations from the basic standards of care. And now, after the deposition was concluded, after that question and answer session, the defense attorney called me over before I left for the day and said to me, you know what? I have to tell you something. I was wrong. You were right. I'm going to be calling the insurance company later today, and let's see if we can try and resolve this case in the next few weeks. And that's exactly what we did. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you because a defense attorney's position at the very beginning may be totally different than what happens once he truly learns what the facts are in this case and truly understands when his client recognizes that there are, in fact, violations from the standards of care. Now, their tune can change. And that's exactly what happened in this case. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding to what goes on in a medical malpractice case here in the state of New York. You know, I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call. I keep doing that. What I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.